Okay, so here we have these words, uncle, sister, cousin, mum, and we have to complete the sentences. Look at this picture. This is my sister. Now look at this second picture. What is number 2? Is my. We begin with this is my uncle, cousin, or mum. Mum. Now look at this picture. What do we write here? My. This is my uncle. This is my uncle. Now look at the last picture. My. So sister is used. Mom is used. Cousin is uncle is used. So now the only possibility is cousin. So we begin the sentence with this is my cousin.